Hello, today I'm gonna showcase you my latest addition to my car. This is a GKU 4K dash cams with so many cool features such as built-in Wi-Fi, night vision, 170-degree wide angle, loop recording, G sensor, and it also comes with a 64GB card. Ready? Let's go and check it out. There are so many included components inside this package. You will find adhesive for dash cam, electrostatic film, ground bar, user manual, a car charger that is about 9.84 feet long, a dash cam of course, and last but not least, the 64GB SD card. And this is our dash cam at just 3.2 by 2.2 by 1.6 inches. This GKU D200 dash cam can fit nearly behind your windshield without blocking your view. This is very important because it can keep the driving experience clean and unobstructed. Its detachable mount and streamlined design make the installing process very quick and hassle-free. On the side of the dash cam, this is where you can find the SD card slot, which is very easy to remove and insert. This emphasizes how clean the design is. Another feature that I really like is a lightning fast built-in Wi-Fi that is mainly used for the app control. With this combination, you can easily preview, edit, download, and share your videos from your mobile phone. The app is very intuitive and straightforward. You can easily change the setting of the camera, such as the resolution, how long you want each video to be, the refresh rate. You can also change how you want your day to be formatted as well. For me, I like having the loop record options at 1 minute. However, the feature that I like the most is the 4K ultra high definition recording quality. This camera can capture top-notch 3840 by 2160 pixel at 20 frames per second video using a wide angle lens. It can minimize the blind spot and deliver the clearer road scenes. The image quality you are seeing here is from the 170-degree wide angle lens. Moreover, this dashcam also features 6 glass optics and an f1.8 aperture to clearly document every movement behind the wheel. Whether you're in a car, truck, or even on a road trip, the dashcam is your reliable eye on the road, ready to deliver critical evidence when it counts. This dashcam also comes with an advanced night vision and a WDR technology. If you don't know yet, WDR stands for Wide Dynamic Range, which is a technology that balances extreme lighting difference within a single frame to capture clear details in both bright and dark area simultaneously. This is very important because the camera will automatically balance the exposure and improve the clarity in low light settings, making it easier to capture key moments during nighttime drives. Overall, if you're looking for a compact dashcam that is capable of delivering high-quality video and also easy to share and edit the footage, then I highly recommend the GKU D200 from GKU. That's it for today. See you next time.